Welcome to the Revit tutorial for beginners. Today's topic is about the 2D drawings or model lines required before you start 3D modeling. Here, you can see the 3D view is open. To draw a model line, click on Level 1. After clicking Level 1, the floor plan for Level 1 will open. To start a 2D drawing, click on the Architecture tab. Click on the model line. Click on the line. After clicking, you can see that, at the top of the property panel, an option bar has appeared. Click on the placement plan. From here, you can select your drawing plane. Click on Level 1. Let's start drawing by clicking the starting point and dragging the mouse cursor. Here, you can see all the lines are disconnected. Let's put a tick on the chain. Again, start drawing by clicking the starting point and dragging the mouse cursor. Here, you can see all the lines are now connected. Press Escape. Again, click on the model line. The next option is Offset. Let's type a value for offset. Start drawing by clicking the starting point and dragging the mouse cursor. You can see the lines are drawn with offset values. Next, click on the radius. Let's type a value for radius. Click on the empty point and drag the mouse to start the drawing. Press Escape. Here, you can see the joining of two lines becoming circular. Next, click on the rectangle. Click on an empty space and drag the mouse. Again, click to end the drawing. Press Escape. Here, you can see that one rectangle is drawn. To edit the rectangle dimension, click on one side of the rectangle. Click on the dimension on the other side. Type in the value. Press Enter. So, as you can see, the rectangle dimension is now modified. Click on the model line. Click on the inscribed polygon. Click on the empty space, drag the mouse, and again click to finish drawing. If you want to change the number of sides of a polygon, modify the sides in the option bar. Again, click on the empty space, drag the mouse, and click again to finish drawing. Here, you can see that the number of sides of a polygon has changed. If you want to draw with offset and radius, you can follow the same procedure. Next, click on Circumscribed Polygon. Click on the empty space and drag the mouse. And a click to finish. If you want to change the number of sides of a polygon, you can do so from here. Next, click on the circle. Click on empty space, drag the mouse and click again to finish the drawing. Next, click on Start and Radius Arc. Click on the start point. Click on the end point, drag the mouse to adjust the radius of the arc, and click to end the drawing. After drawing, if you want to change the radius of the arc, click on the arc. Click and drag in the circle marked in the center. Press Escape. Again, click on the model line. Click on the center end arc. Click on the first point and drag the mouse. Click on the second point. Drag the mouse. Up to which length do you want the arc length? Click to end the drawing. Next, click on the tangent end arc. Click on the start of any line and drag the mouse anywhere where you want to draw a tangent arc. Click to finish the drawing. Next, click on Fillet Arc. Click on the first point of the intersecting line. Next, click on the intersecting point of the second line. Here you can see that the intersecting line is converted into an arc. Next, click on the SP line. Click on an empty space to start the drawing, and then drag and click to draw your SP line. Press Escape to complete the drawing. If you want to modify your SP line, click on the line. Select the circular tangent point and drag it to modify your SP line. Press Escape. Again, click on the model line. Click on the ellipse. Click and drag the mouse on an empty space to start the drawing. Click to end the first axis. Again, drag the mouse to the other side. Click to end the second axis. Next, click on the partial ellipse. Click and drag the mouse on an empty space to start the drawing. Click to end the first axis. Again, drag the mouse to the other side. Click to end the second axis. Next, click on the pick line. This is the most effective tool in Revit. This will copy any line just by clicking on the original line. If you want to offset your second line, click on the offset. Type the offset value. Click on the line that you want to duplicate. Here, you can see the line is duplicated just by clicking. Next, click on the line style. In the line style option, you can select centerline, demolished, hidden, etc. For example, let's select the central line. Click on the ellipse. Here you can see the offset line now converted into a central line. Select the ellipse. Click on line style. Select the demolished line. Here you can see the original line is now converted into a demolished line. Select the sample line. If you have two lines that overlap each other, you can bring them to the front from this option or bring them forward from this option. If you want to send back any overlap lines, you can send them back from this option or backward from this option. Press Escape. Click on the model line. The next topic is the Hide or Display Property panel. Click on Properties. After clicking, you can see the property panel is hidden. Again, click on the Display Property panel. The next option is to Copy, Cut, and Join. These options are mainly useful for 3D models. Next, click on Match Type Properties. Select a line from which you want to match other lines. Now click on the line where you want to change the properties. Here, you can see the line has now changed to another type. The next option is Split Face, Beam Column Joint, and Wall Joint. These options are mainly useful for 3D modeling. Next, click on Demolish. Click on the line. Here you can see the line is now converted to a demolish line symbol. Press Escape. Next tool is Align. To demonstrate the example, let's draw some lines. Click on the Architecture tab. Click on the model line. Let's draw one line. Let's zoom in. Press Escape. Click on the model line. Click on Line Style. Click on the lines. Let's zoom out the drawing and use Pan to move. Let's draw one more line. Press Escape. Click on Align. Select the first line where you want to align the line. Click on the second line. Here, you can see the line is now shifted to the aligned area. The next option is Move. Click on Move. Select the line you want to move. Press Enter. Select the base point and drag it where you want to move. Click to place the line. Press Escape. The next option is Copy. Click on Copy. Select the line you want to copy. Press Enter. Select the base point and drag it where you want to copy. Click to place the line. Press Escape. The next option is Offset. Click on Offset. After clicking in the option bar, you will get Graphical and Numerical. If you want to offset a line, just by mouse movement you can use Graphical, and if you want to move the line by dimension, select Numerical. Let's type the offset value. Next is Copy. Let's put a tick on Copy. Click on the line where you want to offset. Here, you can see the offset of the line that was created. Next, remove the tick from the copy. Click on the line. Here, you can see that the line has moved from its original location. Press Escape. The next option is Mirror. Click on the mirror pick axis. Click on the line that you want to mirror. Press Enter. Click on the axis. Here, you can see the line is now mirrored. Next, click on Mirror Draw Axis. Select the line you want to mirror. Press Enter. Now click to start drawing an axis line, and again click to finish the axis line. Here, you can see the line is now mirrored. The next option is Rotate. Click on Rotate. Click on the line that you want to rotate. Press Enter. Select the point from which you want to start rotating, and click where you want to end rotating. Here, you can see the line is now rotated. There are some other options that are also available for rotation. Select the line. Click on Rotation. After clicking on Rotation, you will get two options. Click on Copy. After clicking, you will get one rotation axis. Click to start rotating, again, click to end. Press Escape. There you can see the line is rotated with a copy. Again, click on the line. Click on Rotate. In the option bar for center rotation, you will get Place and Default. Click on the place. Click on any arbitrary point as a rotation axis. After clicking, you will get one rotation axis. Click to start rotating, again, click to end. Press Escape. There you can see the line is rotated with a manually created axis. The next option is Trim and Extend the corner. Click on Trim and Extend. Click on the first line. Again, click on the second line. Again, click on the first line and second line. Here, you can see the line is now joined with trim. The next option is Split Elements. Click on the split element. Click on the line you want to split. Here, you can see the line is now split into two parts. Next, click on Split with Gap. Sometimes Revit may give you a reminder to save the project. Click on Save the project. Click on the line and drag to create a gap. The next option is Array. Click on the array. Let's press the center wheel of the mouse and pan the viewport to the other side. Click on the array. Click on the line where you want to make multiple copies. Press Enter. Select the point in the form where you want to drag the drawing. Drag it up to a certain distance and click. After clicking, you can see that one number has appeared. Let's edit the number. Press enter. Here you can see that the line is now copied 6 times. Press escape. The next option is trim or extend a single element. Click on the tool. Let's press the center wheel of the mouse and pan the viewport to the other side. Let's extend the reference line. Delete some extra lines. Click on trim or extend. Click on the reference line. Click on the other line. Again, click on another line. Here, you can see the second line is not extended. To extend multiple lines, click on trim or extend multiple elements. Click on the reference line. Click on the other line. Again, click on another line. Here you can see now that multiple lines are extended. If you want to trim some lines, the same command will be used. Click on trim or extend multiple elements. Click on the reference line and on the other line that you want to trim. Here you can see the line is trimmed by the same command. Next, click on trim or extend a single element. Click on the reference line and on the other line that you want to trim. Here you can see one error message showing the line can't be joined. Don't worry about this message, the previous line will be disconnected, so press escape. The next option is delete. Click on delete. Select the element you want to delete. Press enter. Another option is to delete some elements. Just select an element and press del on the keyboard. The next option is a pin. This option is mainly used to freeze any element in the drawing. Click on the pin. Select the element. Press enter. Here you can see that, after pressing enter, one pin symbol appears. This means the line is now frozen. Let's move the line by dragging. You can see that moving the line by dragging is not possible. Let's click on the pin symbol. After clicking, the line will be unfreeze. Let's move the line by selecting and dragging. After dragging, an error message appeared. Click on the unjoin element. Let's again move the line by dragging. Let's click on the pin symbol. We can see the line is again frozen. To remove the pin, click on unpin. The next tool is hide in view. Select the line. Click on hide in view. Click on hiding elements. You can see that after clicking, the line is now hidden. To view any hidden line, click on reveal hidden elements in the view control bar. Here, you can see that the hidden line is now visible in red. To recover the elements, click on the middle line. Click on unhide elements. Again, click on revealing hidden elements in the view control bar. Here, you can see that the line is again visible. The next option is override graphics in view. Select the line. Click on override graphics in view. Click on override by element. After clicking an element, a graphics window will appear. From here, you can change the properties of the line. Click on the pattern. With this option, you can select different types of lines. Let's click on the dot line. Next, click on color. Select a color. Click OK. Click on weight. For example, let's select 4. Click OK. Here you can see the line is now converted to a dotted line with the selected color. The next option is the section box. This tool is mainly useful for 3D views. The next option is measure between two references. Click on measure. Click on the start point and end point. Here you can see the measurement is showing in transparent mode. Press escape. Click on the side arrow to measure. The next option is measure along elements. This option is mainly useful for 3D objects. Next, click on align dimensional. From here, you'll get different kinds of dimensioning tools. Click on an align dimension. Select the first line from where you want to start. Select the second line and click. Next, click on linear dimensions. Here you can see linear dimension is not working in 2D drawings. Next, click on radial dimension. Let's press the mouse's central scroll wheel and pan the viewport. Click on the perimeter of the circle. Click inside the circle. Here you will see that the radius is now marked. Next, click on diameter. Click on the perimeter of the circle. Click inside this circle. Here you can see that the diameter of the circle is marked. Next, all other dimension tools are mainly useful for 3D drawings. So these are the 2D drawing tools and settings you need to know before you start modeling. Like, subscribe, share, and press the bell icon for more interesting topics.